Hey, moderator.
Fucking chilling, bro.
Hoppers, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I had to go to aim labs real quick to fucking test my aim.
What are they crying about now?
We did it for the views, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Because we're the ones that told him to shoot up the races.
Oh shit, bro. You can't make this shit up, man. I swear.
You know the usual shit, RP with like shit.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That's what happens when you watch some of this dog shit, I guess. Look at those kills over here, bro. Popping Dundee's head like a little fucking balloon.
Not wrong, man. Not wrong.
Hey, put this fucking mask on right now. Put your mask on right now. Put your fucking mask.
Just don't shoot me, man. I'm
not going to. Put your fucking mask on. Oh, it's over. Buddy. Take your fucking mask off.
Oh,
yeah, take
you're
your
so
fucking mask off.
fucking dead,
You're
you
so
dumb
fucked.
motherfucker.
You are
You're
so fucked. Get in the
You're
fucking
so
truck.
fucked. Get in the fucking car.
Hey.
Hey, pull the car over, puto, right now. Pull the car over.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
You get the fuck out of here. Pull the car over, puto.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing, Sheldon?
Motherfuckers! Motherfuckers! You fuck with the wrong guy, puto! Take their shoes!
I just realized. Look at your outfit and look at my outfit. I'm fucking Patrick and you're SpongeBob. Uh-oh.
Edge, you're a... But then I just put X's name down in the paper ink.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're so pretty.
No!
Right, well, you can call the cops. So the motherfucker gets for thinking so long.
What happened with him?
He fell out.
Police report. Despite the shooting down of a helicopter being, I'm sure you will agree, an event of incredibly high importance. The district attorney's office has provided absolutely zero evidence or defense of the shooting of the helicopter and has gone as far as to remove, mid-trial, witnesses from their list that may have testified to this attack. Mr. Colton and Watson have suffered here.
Miss
Mr.
O'Banion.
Watson was forced
Miss O'Banion.
while handcuffed.
Miss O'Banion, can I pause you
Your
for a
Honor.
moment? To the two gentlemen that are being disruptive in the back, if you don't like it, I'm going to have you thrown out of here in about 30 seconds. Now knock it off. You may proceed, ma'am. I apologize for the interruption.
Where was I? Right.
So I just charge, I'll charge your account, but then I just put X's name down in the paper ink.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
はいはい大出とまして
Whoa, you're so pretty.
No! No! What happened? Oh!
Amazing.
Hello?
Put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up.
Holy shit.
Put your fucking hands up, motherfucker.
Oh.
Don't worry about these guys.
Yeah, you too.
Is it robbery?
Yep.
Nah, I'm just fucking with you. What's good, Tony?
Danny.
Hey, how you
Fucking
doing?
idiot.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Donna
Alright,
was
we'll
so
be right
horny wanted
there.
to do that for whatever reason. What's up, Xbox? You're fine now.
Everybody put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up, everybody. This is a fucking stick up. This is a fucking stick up. Let's go. Keep your fucking hands up. Let's go. Everybody keep your fucking hands up. All right. Let's go. This is a fucking robbery. All right. Whoa, what the? Are you dumb?
Oh my god.
Why would you call in, you fucking idiot?
Why?
back. There's fucking cops running the shit out of me. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Oh, hey, I'm not sure if you're aware, but your vehicle is pretty heavily damaged.
Sir, I'm not sure if you're aware, but I employ a restaurant with over 45 employees. I have to pay 17 different kind of taxes on top of my own personal income tax, property tax, and vehicle tax, meaning I have no money to repair my vehicle, sir.
All right, sir, you're free to go.
Thank you.
He does me.
Come here, man. Why you on the distance like this?
Okay.
Come on, Mama Sarah, get yourself in the conversation. Do me a favor. Never ever stand outside of a conversation if people talking and you said hello to them till they tell you to go away. Because then you exclude yourself from the conversation when nobody have excluded you. And I want you to feel included. You get me?
I get you. I just had a question for her. I was waiting for her to finish talking.
Yeah, but either way, don't stand on the side. Just get in the conversation. Just chill with us.
Alright, I'm here now.
Yes, I completely agree. Include yourself.
Yeah?
Do you feel a bit confident?
Exactly.
Come inside and talk to us. We're willing to talk to you. You have a nice mask. I like it. Cool.
She's beautiful.
Sometimes I'll ask about the membership price, and it'll be a different price on a different day, and I'm wondering what's going on there. How do I trust you now?
Listen, sis, I've never sold you a membership at the casino. I've done front desk for like a tiny bit, and then they moved me. I promise you. And I went to Dean's ass. Dean's personal ass. Okay? I'm saying that with the memberships, we had it where if you got a renewal, it was 500, and then we just switched it to 999 even throughout, no matter what. And that was a Dean case.
She's actually going with it. I can see how he does it. Oh my god!
It is the same.
She's actually going with it. Oh my god!
It's a different standard. But it's not you specifically.
What the fuck?
Specifically, it's not HOA specifically.
This is how it works.
And actually, funny enough, I was calling you a while ago because I heard that you guys do bingo, and I wanted. I
literally only had to say that one thing.
Either you guys saw.
45 from 320.
Go for 45.
Are there locals in that area?
You know what, sir? Now that you mention it, no.
10-4. Quite frankly, I believe that to be a prank call of sorts.
I get exactly what you're putting down, sir.